Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cotton candy machine at home. First, gather your essential components like a DC motor, a metal bowl, and a power source. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you understand the purpose of every part. This project is fun and uses readily available materials, transforming simple items into a sweet treat maker. Get ready to create your own fluffy cotton candy right in your kitchen. It's easier than you might think. To begin, you'll need a few key items. A small 12-volt DC motor is crucial for spinning the sugar. Find a sturdy metal bowl, about 6 inches in diameter, which will hold the sugar. Don't forget a power supply, some electrical wires, and a simple on-off switch. Lastly, a small tin will serve as the heating element's housing. Having everything ready makes the building process much smoother and more enjoyable. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful and fun, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome DIY content. Making cotton candy can be a sweet, sticky, and sometimes thirsty business. Stay refreshed and hydrated anywhere with an Owala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your drinks cold. You can find a link to grab your own Owala bottle and other cool deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's assemble the machine. Securely mount your DC motor onto a stable base. A piece of wood works well. Next, attach the metal bowl to the motor's shaft. It needs to spin freely and be centered. Then, prepare your small tin by making a small hole for the heating element. Position this close to the spinning bowl, but not touching it. Precision here ensures your machine works efficiently and safely. Wiring is a critical step for safety and function. Connect your DC motor to the power supply, incorporating the switch for easy on and off control. Carefully wire the heating element, ensuring all connections are secure and properly insulated. Once wired, do a quick test. Spin the bowl to confirm it rotates smoothly, and check that your heating element warms up. Always prioritize safety during electrical work to prevent any issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.